Hello everyone, welcome to my 30-day DevOps challenge. Today I learned process, memory and disk management in Linux. Today I talk about process, memory and disk management in Linux. These are the important because they help us understand what is happening inside a system and help us troubleshooting performance issues. First, let's talk about process. A process is a simple running program. Whenever we open an application or run a command, Linux create a process. I learned commands like ps and top, htop, etc., which help us seeing running process and how much CPU and memory they are using. Next, I learned about memory monitoring. Memory or RAM is where programs store data while they are running. If memory uses because it becomes high, the system can slow down. I use the command free h to check how much RAM is being used and how much is memory available. About disk monitoring. Storing space is the because if a disk becomes full, application may stop working properly. Do sh to check the size of files and directories. What I found interesting is that with just a few commands, we can quickly identify system properly and understand system performance. My biggest lesson today is that monitoring is one of the most important skills for Linux administrator and DevOps engineers becomes you cannot fix a problem if you cannot see it. That's what I learned today. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.